Hello, today we'll continue talking about Magento 2.0 and let's look on how to create a new category in Magento. First of all, in the administration panel you should choose products, categories, and this page will immediately appear. As you can see, it has 4 sections. First section is general information, then display settings, custom design, and category products. In the category products you can find all your products here according to the ID. Enter your ID here, name, SKU, price, and position. So now let's start creating our category. First field goes name. In the field you need to enter a name for the category which will be referenced in the navigation menu bar on your front end. Let's try a test. Then choose is active to yes or no. Yes means that the category is active on the site, and selecting no will hide the category on your site. Fill in the URL key field, which is designed to improve your search engine optimization or SEO ranking. By default, the URL key is automatically generated based on the category name, this one, but you can override this field for a better SEO. For example, write test. Okay. Here you should write a short description, which is also a field for improvement of SEO. We'll also write test. Then you can upload a default image for this category to be displayed on your store's front end when a customer clicks to the category menu. This image will be displayed on the top of the product list in this category. We'll choose some simple image, for example this one. Okay, then enter a descriptive page title, then complete the meta keywords and complete a meta description. If you want to include the subcategory in the main menu of your store, set include in navigation menu to yes. So let's move on. Display settings. Here you should first of all set display mode to one of the following: products only, statistic blocks only, or statistic blocks and products, and we'll choose statistic blocks and products, why not. Then choose CMS block for the list given. For example, we'll choose new block. Let's go further. Set is ensure to yes or no. Ensures are used for the layered navigation in Magento. We'll choose a yes. Then clear the checkbox under available products listing short by, then select the suitable one, position, name, or price. We'll choose, for example, name. Once again, you should clear the checkbox under the but now is under the default products listing short by, and so by default, and choose from the position the name or the price. We'll choose, for example, the name. By default, all valuable attributes are listing, and default value typically include, as you can see, position, name, and price. The last thing to do in display setting is to enter layered navigation price step. But if price navigation step calculation is set to manual, then enter a numerical value to determine how price ranges are grouped in the layered navigation. And here you should one more time, in order to fill in this field, clear the box, use checkbox, use config setting. So now let's move on. And as you can see, the next goes custom design. So the first box here is use a parent category setting. If the parent category of this category has already been customized and you want to use the same setting, select yes, and all the other settings will disappear. So next, choose yes or no in the box apply to products. But if you want the custom setting applied to all the products assigned to this category, you should select yes, as I've already did. So then goes custom design, where you have an option to decide whether to select from Magento Blank or Magento Luma. We'll leave Magento Luma. Then next two fields are active from and active to. If you want to apply the changes at the specific time, specify the dates by clicking the calendar icon and choosing the date. For example, like this. If you do not fill in the start and end dates, your changes will be left like after pressing the save button. Yeah. So next, you can further change the layout of the category page by selecting one of the default layout in the page layout. First of all, no layout updates. This option is pre-selected by default and will not apply any layout changes. Then empty. You can define your own design template, for example a 4-column layout by choosing this field. Then goes one column. The content area will extend to the full width of your store as one column. Then 2 columns with the left bar. The content area will be divided into 2 columns with the left column set at a smaller width for displaying content blocks. The next goes 2 column with right bar is the same as the left bar, but the right column set at a smaller width here in this case. Then the last one is 3 columns. Left and right columns will be set at same small widths for displaying content blocks, and the middle section is for a main content. So if you didn't select one of the page layouts here option, you can skip the custom layout update field. So the last but not the least is category products. In the category products section, choose products you want to include in this category. For example, this one, and this one. So you have chosen your products. Then you've completed everything. So click the Save Category button in order to save your new category. So that's all for today. We've created our new category. Thank you for your attention.